Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about another important function or operator from JavaScript. Is called REST operator. It's the syntax is same like the spread operator, like three dots. And this REST operator is used to allow a function to accept an indefinite number of arguments as an array. This spread operator was used, or it was added to JavaScript in ES6. And as I was mentioning in the before, the syntax is exactly the similar like the spread operator, like three dots. I have a separate video on the spread operator, and I'm sharing the link of that video in the description. So let's see some example. As you can see, I have a function called doSum, and then the intention of this function is like whatever parameters that I'll pass to that function, or whatever numbers I'll pass to that function, it will do the summation and return that sum. And here I'm storing the sum in this result variable and then doing a console.log. So I'm expecting, since I'm passing 1, 2, 3, this line will return or will print 6. Now I want to make this sum function flexible enough that it can take one parameter, two parameters, three, or it can take a number of parameters. There is no limitation. Now to do that, I need to use the REST operator. So I'll start doing this way. Let's say the REST operator is basically the same as the spread operator, which is like three dots. So I put three dots here, and let's say I am storing all my numbers in nums, and here let me create a variable called total equals to 0. And now what I can do, I can go through this nums array, and then I can add that individual element to the to the total, and then I can return the total. So now if I go ahead and execute, I can see my result is 6 because I have passed 1, 2, 3. Now I can pass like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's say and 9 and 10. I can pass basically a number of parameters, and then my doSum method will still work, because doSum method is using the REST operator, and REST operator is good enough to take a number of parameters and still do the job. So this is the beauty. So my num1 will become 1, and nums, this array will contain only 2 and 3. So when I'll go through this nums array, I am basically doing a summation between 2 and 3. So this result, this total will be 5, and result here in this statement console.log, which should print me 5 instead of 6 before. So let me go ahead and I can see this is my result. My result is not 6 anymore, it's 5. So this is the way how I can use the REST operator to pass n number of elements to a function. Another thing that I want to show you here, how you can use a array destructuring. Another quick thing I want to show you here, how you can use the REST operator to do the array destructuring. So basically what we can do a dot dot dot, three dots, and then num1, num2, and num3. So what will happen now, let me do a print so that I can explain you clearly. So this is my num1, and let me print num1 and num2 and num3 as well. So, and let me get rid of this one, and let me do a total here equals to num1 plus num2 plus num3. Yep. So what will happen when I execute this code? Num1 will become 1, num2 will become 2, num3 will become 3. And you can see that when these 3 lines will be executed. So as you can see, num1 is 1, num2 is 2, num3 is 3, and then total is basically summation of 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. So this is the way how you can use the REST operator to do array destructuring as well. So now if I pass 4 here and still execute this one, it's still okay, because You can pass a number of parameters. That's not a problem. But since I'm doing a destructuring, so it will only consider num1, num2, and the first three parameters. Rest everything will be ignored. So this is the way how you can use the rest operator to do the array destructuring. If you like this video, please share and hit the like icon, and also please subscribe to my channel to get update about all my upcoming videos. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.